Welcome dear students to a new lesson on creative writing. This is Mrinal Malve from Prabhat Kids School. Dear students, you have heard lot of inspirational stories, anecdotes from great people's life. You may have also read great deal of books on great personalities from your school library, which might have helped you to prepare your speeches on great personalities for participating in elocution competition. The books on the life of great personalities are called biographies. Dear students, our today's topic is based on writing biographical sketch. Biography is usually an exhaustive record of one's life, but in biographical sketch, only the basic information is covered, highlighting important details like the name, birth date, parents' details, major works, and the achievements of these are briefly included to delineate the exact gist of the character. Biosketch is a brief summary of person's life achievements which include professional and educational accomplishment, publications and affiliations that highlight important aspects. It also highlights great personalities' experiences. A biography tells the story of a person's character, life and achievements. A biographical sketch is shorter and much more specific. We may define a biographical sketch as the description of a person, his physical appearance, work, temperament, habits, achievements and other silent personal traits. A bio sketch should always be written in third person. It should include a person's age, education, profession, disposition and attributes. It presents the facts and an overview of the life of the person. It tells us about his interests, influences in his life and his accomplishments, which include special awards and recognitions. The sketch should provide readers with basic information about the person and give them a sense of the person's character. You must use specific details and engaging language to demonstrate what makes the person you are writing about different from anyone else. After knowing what exactly biographical sketch is, we should now turn to understand how to write it. Very first, stick to the given information. Biographical sketches usually provide an account of a person's life and include core information. If you are writing a bio sketch about someone, you have to focus on the given information. For example, full name, birth date, birthplace, family background, occupation and major accomplishment. Second, you should be concise. Bio sketch is a brief write-up. In your exam, you have to stick to the word limit. You have to cover all points within 80 words. Third, highlight achievements and influences. Try to highlight notable achievements that will impress us. You should also mention the hard work behind the achievements. You should also include the influence it casts on today's life. Biographical sketch writing is actually a creative activity. To boost it, in exam, you are asked to write a biographical sketch. For the purpose, you are given necessary details. Suppose you are asked to write a biographical sketch on Max Muller in your exam, and you are given notes including basic details like his birth on December 6, 1823 in Germany and other barely details of his study of classical languages like Greek, Latin, Arabic, Persian and Sanskrit. His research on great classics of world literature including Vedas. Then you have to write his biographical sketch in less than 80 words, that is 2 paragraphs. Firstly, understand the given text thoroughly. Try to read between the lines. Max Muller studied different languages, and that too are ancient languages. It showed that he should be a scholar. He had studied all major languages of the ancient world. Therefore, he should be well-versed scholar. He had studied Vedas. That means he also studied Indian culture. Now, after understanding the every detail, you have to turn to write a brief sketch. Now, you shall start writing it. You shall directly start by putting the name of the personality you are going to write about. Max Muller, a great scholar, was born in Germany on December 6, 1823. Generally, most of you know Germany by the name of Hitler, but it is not so. It is the country that gave the great modern philosophers to the world. Then you shall add the tradition of research. He continued the tradition of great research in Germany. He studied different languages, but his focus was on studying the ancient languages as he believed these languages are the storehouse of knowledge. He studied Greek, Latin, Arabic, Persian and Sanskrit. As such, he became the renowned scholar of the ancient texts. He understood the ancient civilizations. He also introduced Indian classics including Mahabharata and Vedas to the Western countries. His research opened the sacred understanding of Vedas to the world. He also brought different languages and culture closer. This way you can write. Or suppose you are asked to write a bio sketch on Sachin Tendulkar or Amitabh Bachchan on given necessary information. Then you have to write covering the most important aspects. Sachin Tendulkar being a favorite player of yours, you don't have to write a complete page. You simply have to highlight the most important given points which made him a special cricketer. Precision is must. In exam, you are asked to write on any great personality you perhaps haven't heard about. But no need to panic here, as the details would be available there and you are required to put those details in proper language. For this activity, your general reading and writing practice help you a lot. Dear students, biosketch writing is an important creative activity. It is to improve your writing skills and also test your reading. Your general reading helps you a lot in creative writing. So, keep reading and practice writing, which refine your mind and help you achieving success in exams as well as in life. Thank you. Have a cheerful day.